Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today, we've got an exponent type question to get through, and I'm going to get straight into it. So they've asked us, what is the square root of 16x to the 16? So I'm going to use the space on the right, and I'm going to walk you through this one step by step. All right, so we start off there. Now remember, when it comes to square roots, we're able to split the square root across numbers and variables that are multiplied together. What do I mean by that? Well, we can split the square root and say the square root of 16 times the square root of x to the 16. Now we can deal with each of those individually. The square root of 16 we know to be 4 because 4 squared is 16. And then the square root of x to the 16, here this could confuse you slightly, but if you know the rule, you won't be confused. Remember, we've got an invisible 2 on the outside of the square root, and what that means is we are going to divide the exponent inside the square root by 2. Now, if this was a cube root or a fourth root, we are going to then divide the exponent by 3 or 4. But in this case, because we've got an invisible 2 on the outside, we're going to divide it by 2. That means that our answer to this question is going to be 4x. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So our answer to this question is going to be 4x to the 8, which is D, and that gets us a mark. Really good job. Very special thank you to our sponsors for making this video possible. Remember to check out our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, remember you can send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.